Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Zara Plays. Today, me and my sister are playing Cruise Ship Story, and yeah, going to go explore. We I'm gonna go explore this area. Oh, look at this cute doggy. I'm petting it, am I? I don't get it. Oh, you can buy food here. I'm gonna go downstairs and get some more money because I played this game before, but I never got to survive it because I didn't know what to do at one of the parts. It was almost at the end, but I died. Like the ship's like literally moving. Bloop, 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 bloop. Ooh, there's toilet paper. That's a key card. And it's actually just me and my sister playing here. Our next video is going to be playing Cruise with the squad, probably. I'm just trying to find when all of us can play together. Oh, I explored the cruise and we have 1 second. Oh, why did you put us in water, Jack? Now I'm all wet. I gotta change this beautiful galaxy outfit. That's because of you, Jack. Uh, Okay, fine. I'll play a game with you. I don't really want to, but I'll do it. Okay, it's hidden, and I think it's the fork again. Bring it to me. Okay, bring it to you or me. Just kidding. I'll bring it to you. Okay, fine. Our friends at first gets 15 cruise bucks. I only have 14. That'll be like 29. Ready? Yep, I'm ready. Bring me what? Fork. Okay. I know where that is. I'm gonna race my sister there. Run! Oh no! I got it, guys. I'm heading back. On the diving board to get a giant jump. There! Um, here. I tried giving you though. Come on, I found it. I tried to give it to you. No fair. I gave you though. It's just so sad. Okay. Okay, another item. That's fine. This time I'm gonna win. Bring you a what? Toilet paper. I know where that is, guys. I just know where that is. I know where the toilet paper is. So, gotta go here, I think. Why is she following me, guys? I think she's cheating. I'm gonna head back. Okay, I'm gonna head to Jack before she does. Because, like, the last time I failed at it. I did it. Guys, I did it. At least my sister got the first one. You got that? Oh, I didn't get anything. I'm getting hungry. Is it done? Okay, sure. We're awesome at finding things. What's our last item going to be? Golden ticket? Where's that supposed to be? It's on the 3rd floor. I know where it is. Right here. Yes, guys, I tricked her into it. Now we can go get this golden key card ticket thingy.